Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Google Sheets while signed into the account that owns or can access the file. Once done, find the spreadsheet in Drive or Recent. This ensures you're working on the correct document. You need at least viewer access to copy a shareable link and editor access to change sharing settings. If you lack access, request permission from the owner now so you don't hit a roadblock later. This saves time and prevents failed link attempts. You then click the Share button at the top right to open sharing settings. Once the dialog appears, make sure to adjust the link access level. Choose Restricted to limit access, or anyone with link to make it broadly available. Next, select the role, viewer, commenter, or editor, based on how much control you want recipients to have. After setting access and role, pause to double-check the listed people and permissions so the link will behave exactly as you intend. You finish by clicking Copy Link, then Done to confirm the sharing changes are saved. Once copied, paste the link into your email, chat, or document where recipients can access it. If someone reports they can't open the sheet, make sure they're signed into the correct account and that the link permission matches your intention. If problems persist, revoke the link, set permissions again, and copy a fresh link. This quick reset often resolves access caching or account mismatch issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.